Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping Face ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode so you can change Face ID. Once done, position the iPhone 16 Pro Max about 10 to 20 inches from your face. This distance ensures the true depth camera captures depth and texture. Make sure glasses that occlude eyes are removed. Sunglasses that block IR may fail. Tap Setup Face ID, then get started. And follow the on-screen circle, prompts to start the first facial scan cycle. Now continue with the detailed scanning steps. When the circle appears, move your head slowly in a small circle so the true depth camera records multiple angles. This improves recognition in varied lighting and angles. If you commonly wear different glasses or a hat, tap Add Alternate Appearance to train Face ID for those looks. Make sure Attention-Aware features are enabled if you want Face ID to require eye contact. This increases security and prevents accidental unlocks when you're not looking. Finish by tapping Done to save your registrations, then lock the phone and test unlocking. This confirms the system learned your face. If it fails, don't panic. Go back to Settings and try Retrain Face or Reset Face ID and run both scans again. Partial captures or abrupt movement cause most errors. Make sure the true depth camera area is clean, avoid strong backlight, and update iOS so Face ID has the latest improvements. These steps resolve most persistent issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.